Hi, everybody. Welcome back for your week 22 of PE. So, this week we are going to wrap up our pedestrian safety with some school bus safety. So, the first thing you're going to do for your warm up this week is a Super Bowl this or that Tabata workout. So, you've done the this or that where you choose this one, where you choose this one. And then it's going to be a Tabata workout, which we've done before as well. So Tabata workout, I'm going to do the exercise for 20 seconds based on if I picked this picture or that picture. So you're going to do that for your warm up. And then once you do that for your warm up, this week we are learning about how to be safe on the school bus. And so we talk about even if we don't ride the bus to and from school, that when we go on field trips or anything like that, we take a school bus. And so, although that's not really happening this year, at some point you will be going back on school buses or be on a school bus at some point for a field trip, and you need to know how to be safe when riding the school bus. So, you're going to watch the school bus safety video that talks about how to be safe when you are on a school bus, so what you need to do to keep yourself and others safe. The next one is be cool and follow the rules. This is the same exact video that we are watching in the classroom in regards to bus safety. So you watch that. And then the last thing I have for you is a school bus safety activity. So you're going to click on this link, right? And you're going to follow the, click this, let's see, students, right, getting on. So you're going to follow Buzzy the Bee as he flies through the ins and outs of riding the school bus for the first time. You're going to watch the video and complete the challenges and get your school bus safety for certificate at the end. So you're going to watch this video, go through the challenges, right, and hopefully get your school bus safety certificate at the end. So that is what we are doing this week to wrap up our pedestrian safety. So hopefully you'll enjoy those videos and the warm-up activity with the Super Bowl coming up this Sunday, and enjoy learning about school bus safety and have a chance to take what you've learned from these two videos and demonstrate it, what you've learned in the school bus safety activity video. So I hope you have fun today, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Exercise hard. See you later.